All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get your rewards back in Bitcoins, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about a couple subjects. We're going to be talking about AMP token. It's down right now by 19 to 20%. This could be a good discount buying time. El Salvador just bought another 150 Bitcoin tokens because it was down 20%. El Salvador does this repeatedly. They keep buying coins when they're buying the dip or a discount buy. So AMP token could be just right there with the Bitcoin. And we're going to give you 3 reasons why the cryptocurrency market is down right now and why it pushed Bitcoin under 50,000. There's 3 things that could be the reasons why that the market is down right this second. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. So with that, let's head over to AMP token. All right, number 63. Now take a look at this. This is very rare that everything is red. Everything is red right now. This is the discount buying season. AMP token at number 63 is down 18%. But take a look, everything is down. 30% down, 6% down, 17% down, 29% down, 25% down. Right above it, Engine Coin, 27% down. So this is not an AMP token thing. This is the whole crypto market thing is down right this second. It's at 5 cents, down 3.46%. Taking a look to the right, it's down 3.59% in the last 24 hours. It's at that 5 cents. If it breaks below the 5 cents, this is when people were loading up before. Is this a good time to load it up? Give us your thoughts in the bottom. It did jump all the way to 7 cents a couple weeks ago, and now it's back at 5 cents. But the whole market, everything, it seems to be down right now. In the last 7 days here's a chart. Again, this is not an AMP token thing. This is all the cryptocurrencies are kind of like this. I mean, there's a few that are up right this second. But take a look, everything is going down, down, down. We jumped over here to the Twitter because we want to cover some big, awesome news that's literally going to help this token. As everything else is down, everything else doesn't have all these great news. So take a look, December 4th. Sushi is now served on Flexa. It's a sushi swap Saturday. 25 days of Flexa is served. Now spend your sushi at any of the 40,000 locations on the Flexa network. Try it with the Spenda app today. So hey everybody, Sushi is now on the Spenda app. Another great, it says right there, now available. Right there, now available on Flexa. And Flexa is powered by AMP token. Now all of a sudden, we got Sushi on AMP token. Okay, fantastic. There's no sense stopping there. Let's just keep going. Well, guess what? The Spenda app now supports DAI, the leading decentralized stable coin for payments anywhere the Flexa is accepted. It's now accepted on Spenda. More ways to spend your DAI. The Spenda app now supports DAI, the leading decentralized stable coin for fast and easy payments anywhere a Flexa is accepted. So there we go. We got 2 things right there. Well, no sense stopping there. Let's go one more down. Look at this, Solana. Solana payments are now accepted on Flexa network, of course. And as always, powered by AMP. Much more to come during the upcoming 25 days of Flexa. So the 25 days, like the holiday season, we got 3 different coins right here. Solana is now available on Flexa. DAI is now available on Flexa. Sushi is served up on Flexa. I mean, 25 days, that means there's going to be 25 good things going on with AMP token. Now, most of these other cryptocurrencies don't have a little Christmas, 25 days to Christmas, and this and that. So I definitely love the AMP token. A lot of good things going on right this second. It's right there at that 5. We'll come back on our price prediction at the end. We got a couple other things to cover. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. We're trying to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency. Hey, what did you think yesterday on Sunday? Tom Brady was out there talking about what he's getting into. Cryptocurrency. Today on Monday Night Football, he's going to talk about what he's getting into. Cryptocurrency. All these different big celebrities that are talking about what they're getting into, cryptocurrency is making the mainstream understand and know about this cryptocurrency. AMP token is slept in all these new coins on the Flexa network. There's some super awesome stuff getting ready to happen with AMP token. We're going to come back to the AMP here in a second, leaving you with 3 awesome things. Might as well jump over to El Salvador. Yeah, just like anything else, El Salvador buys the dip. It purchased another 150 of Bitcoin worth $7.3 million, December 4th. El Salvador's pro-Bitcoin president updated earlier today that his country has reached a recent price crash by by purchasing 150 more coins at an average price of $48,500. It's safe to say that El Salvador is most bullish country on Bitcoin as it legalized a primary currency earlier this year. Earlier today, the update of the country is indeed stated that the accumulation of more coins, this purchase of 150 coins came that the Bitcoin prices crashed as the asset dropped below 50,000 for the first time in 2 months. So El Salvador saw that it dropped, bam, they're right on it. That's why I'm talking about this discount buys. You need to take a look at what coins are you looking at, because if it's down 15 to 20%, El Salvador, I come back every week, every 2 weeks. It was the day after Thanksgiving, and El Salvador was buying more tokens. Here it is, December 4th, a couple days ago. El Salvador's buying more tokens. If they're buying the dip, you may want to buy the dip on Engine Coin is down tremendously right now. There's so many tokens that are down tremendously. Take a look at what you're looking at. It says with the average price of $48,670, this means El Salvador spent $7.3 million to purchase another 150 Bitcoin. Right there, 150 coins at an average price of $48,670. El Salvador's buying more Bitcoin. And then jumping over here, 3 reasons behind the crypto crash that dragged Bitcoin below 50,000. This was an article a few days ago. I think it's pretty big. I'm going to kind of go over some things here. The first thing is the Feds. The first weakness in the plain vanilla equities is part brought by the Federal Reserve's talk. Investors spooked by the speculations of the assets. So the Feds are basically stirring things up, and people are getting spooked on what the Feds are going to do with cryptocurrency. I always look at it like this. You have to pay your gains on stocks. If you're buying stocks and you trade them in, paying your taxes on cryptocurrency, it's not that big of a deal. But okay, number 1, they're saying is the Fed. Number 2 is COVID. Obviously, this new variant outbreak, very uncertain surroundings in the security of people's money. You know, vaccines may or may not work, so it's going to be determined. So with the COVID going rampant right this second, that's actually affecting the way people are buying their cryptocurrency. That's the second thing. And the third thing, the holidays. Also, 'tis the season. Many investors seeing the year winding down are looking to lock in the gains and take money off the table. So what they do is they start at the beginning of the year, they get their gains, and when at the end of the year, they take their money out of cryptocurrency and they take it off the table and they put it wherever they put it. So that could be happening. After all, even the recent decline of Bitcoin. So you're hearing all this stuff about Bitcoin being down, but is it really down? Since last year, it's up 66%. Last year, at the beginning of the year, Bitcoin was 29,400. Now, would you guys buy Bitcoin today at 29,400? Absolutely. So all the people that bought Bitcoin last year at 29,400, some of those investors are taking the money off the table. It makes logical sense. Where do we go for here? You know, for sure winter is coming, but also a crypto winter? I don't know. So right there's 3 reasons: the Feds, COVID, and the season. People taking money off the table. So those are 3 reasons why Bitcoin and why the cryptocurrencies are down. We're going to jump back and go over to the top 10 and look at the actual charts. We're going to talk about some discount buys. We're going to go ahead and give a price prediction on AM token. Here's my price prediction. I'm sticking with it. I believe it's going to get to 12 cents. It got to 12 cents in June when it got listed. It's getting listed on this. All kinds. Binance is now accepting it. Voyager is accepted AM token. Now SUSHI is on Flexa network. All these different tokens are now on the Flexa network. More and more things are happening. We're in the 4th quarter of the year. More spending is going to happen in the 4th quarter because of the Christmas holiday, and people that are using cryptocurrency are going to use it on the Spenda app. So take a look at here. AM token is down 17% in the last 7 days. Engine Coin's down 27% in the last 7 days. Bitcoin's down 19%. Bitcoin Silver's down 19%, 15%, 18%. Pancake Swap is down 19%. LRC is down 30%. El Salvador is buying more Bitcoin. Flow's down 24%, 23%. Graph is down 30%. Holy cow, everybody. Things are down so much, you definitely want to be paying attention to see which coins you're looking at. Well, with that, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All our information is for educational purposes only. I think AM token is going to go back to 12 cents where it was in June. By the end of the year or by the end of the 1st quarter of next year, again, educational purposes only. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Monday through Friday, we're bringing you a video every single day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, Saturdays and Sundays around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic Monday today.